So take your both hand like this and close your eyes and follow my instructions. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now open your eyes and on your hands. Students, let's move to our studies and open your book. This is your first period and this is your English literature period. So open your book and come on page number 18. This is the third chapter, Animal Quiz Game. We discussed it in our previous class. And there are three characters, I told you it before. And these are Balu, Minky and Bunny. Balu is up here. Minky is a monkey and Bunny is a rabbit. You know about this story. This is depend on a quiz game, Animals Quiz Game. There are three questions asked. One question asked by Minky, one question asked by Balu, and another question asked by Minky. Bunny only replied on three questions. The very first question was that it is called the king of forest and its roads. And the answer was good. Question asked by Minky and answer given by Bunny. And next answer by Balu. Name an animal that gives us milk and it bleeds. Name animal that gives us milk and it bleeds. And then then Bunny replied, it's a cow because cow gives us milk, but it doesn't bleed. Okay, so the answer was goat. Goat gives us milk and it bleeds. Cow only moves, not bleeds. Okay. And then another question given by Minky, and she asked to everyone, name a bird that is black and white in color and it doesn't fly. It cannot fly. It walks in a funny way. And the right answer was penguin. But there was not any turn of Bunny, so he was crying and he was upset. So our story is done here. And your homework was learn word meanings and find hard words. I hope that is done. Let's move to our exercise. Today we will do exercise of chapter 3. The first look at the book first and look at exercise number A. Tick the correct option. You have to tick the correct options. Three options are given here and you have to find right option. So very first question is Minky was a. You know about Minky? I told you it before. Minky is a monkey. You know, in the story Minky was a monkey. So you have to tick the third option, that means C option, monkey. The next question is, who gave the idea of the game? Who gave the idea of the game? In our previous lines in the chapter, Balu was there, right? Who says let's play a game of quiz? So, take option tick the C option, animals and birds. There was 3 questions, right? Two about animal and 1 about bird. The answer was lion and goat, and the question depends on bird. The answer was penguin. You know it, right? So your exercise number A is done, and now come to exercise number B. Fill in the blanks. See, some words are given here in the hint box. Okay, that is rose, milk, tree, penguin, moose and lion. Look at the board and look at the book first. First is rose. Second, milk. Third, tree. Fourth, moose. Penguin, sorry, no, not moose. Penguin. And fifth is moose. And the sixth is cow. Sorry, lion. Lion. These 6 options are given in a box, as you can see. So let's fill the blank with the help of these words. Okay? Look at the book, and the first number is in a jungle there lived a friends, then blank, then friends. In a jungle there lived blank and friends. How many friends are there? There are 3 friends, right? Kalu, Mickey and Bunny. So we have to write 3 on the first option. Number, fill in the blank. Next is a dash is called the king of the jungle. It and then blank. Who is the king of the jungle? Who is the king of the jungle? Lion, right? So fill lion in first blank, and it roars, right? Lion roars, right? So roars comes on the second number option. Alright, the third number is a cow gives then blank and it's then blank. So the cow gives us milk. Where's milk? This will be on third number. And cow, the sound of the cow, moose, right? So it will be fill on 3 number. Alright, let's move for next. Look at the book. Fourth number, up, then blank, walks in funny way. Who walks in funny way? Who walks in funny way? Penguin walks in funny way. So a penguin walks in funny way. It will become on number 4. So fill all the blanks and tick all the options. And look at the book. Answer the following questions. Who asked the first question in the guessing game? Who asked the first question in the guessing game? Balu suggested let's play guessing games. And who asked the first question? Minky asked the first question in the guessing games, right? And what she asked? She asked who is the king of jungle and it roars. That was the question, right? So the answer is Mickey asked the first question in the guessing games. Let's move for second. What clues did Mickey give about the penguin? What clues? The clues was this is a black and white bird. It cannot fly. It walks in a funny way. Right? This was the clues in the chapter, and the answer was penguin. So the clues are this is a black and white bird. It cannot fly. It walks in a funny way. Okay, the third question is why did Bunny start crying? Okay, tell me why did Bunny start crying? Because there was no turn for him. That's why he starts crying. Bunny started crying because there was no turn for him. Now come on page number 22. Open up page number 22. There are two animals and a bird. Okay, there are two animals and one bird, and the hints are given here at the down. We have to match the hints to the animal or bird. So the very first hint is it is black and white and cannot fly. Who is black and white and can't fly? That is a penguin, right? So match it with the figure of penguin. And the next is it gives us milk. And whose figure is here? A cow figure is here, right? So we have to match the both the cow to it gives us milk. And the third option is it roars. Who roars? Lion roars, right? So match the lion to the it roars. Now the second is name the sounds of these animals. Name the sounds of these animals. I am going to write it here. 4 options are given here. Dog, monkey, elephant and donkey. We have to write their sounds. So dog, the sound of dog is bark. Dog barks loudly, right? The sound of elephant, trump. And in few words we call it trumpet. Alright? Monkey, the sound of monkey is chatter. The sound of monkey is chatter. The monkey chattered a lot. The sound of donkey is bray. So let's revise once. The sound of dog, bark. The sound of monkey, chatter. The sound of elephant, trumpet. The sound of donkey, bray. Alright? And now vocabulary section is here. Write the picture name by putting the letter in right order. That is jumble words are given. Okay? In first, the pictures are also given here. Pictures are also given here and jumbled words are given here. So you have to find it, right? In very first, there is goat. In second, there is jungle. In third, there is penguin. In fourth, that is milk. In fifth, that is lion. And sixth, that is home. Come on page number 23. B section of it. Vocabulary section. There are boxes with lots of alphabets. Alright. We have to find 7 animals. How many animals are here? 7. Few I am going to tell you and you have to find it here. There is kangaroo, jackal, fox, wolf, deer and giraffe. Alright? I am repeating. Kangaroo, jackal, fox, wolf, giraffe and deer. You have to find one more here. Alright? And this is your task. You have to done it yourself. And now grammar enrichment. Page number 23, that there is a grammar enrichment. So we have to fill in the blanks with suitable describing words. Suitable describing words. And the first is the magazine is. The magazine is. Magazines are always interesting, right? They are interesting to read or listen. So the describing word will be interesting. You have to fill interesting here. In second, the puppy is. The given picture of puppy you can see here and that looks tired, right? The puppy is tired. This describing word is tired here. Next is Sneha is. Look at Sneha. She is beautiful, right? So the describing word is beautiful. You have to write beautiful in third number. Fourth Peacock has a long neck. So the describing word is long here. You have to write long. And the sixth number is, this is a suitcase. Look at the picture. There is a red color suitcase in the hand of a boy. Right? So the describing word is red. This is a red suitcase. I am repeating. In first you have to feel interesting. In second you have to feel tired. In third you have to feel beautiful. In fourth, tall boy. In fifth, long neck. And in sixth, red suitcase. Turn the page. Come on page number 24. And this is writing skills. Few points are given here. Hint box is here and few hints are here. 5 hints are here. Head, blue, monkey, goggles and banana. Head, blue, monkey, goggles and banana. So come on first line. It is a. Which animal is this? Monkey. You can see now this is a picture of monkey. Look at here. This is a picture of monkey. It is a monkey. It is wearing what it wears? Goggle on its side. This is goggles, right? So write goggles here. It is wearing a big black hat on its. Where is big black hat? On its head. The hat is on its head. It likes to eat. What he is eating? What it is eating? Banana, right? So fill banana here. It is looking smart in its t-shirt. Which color t-shirt is this? Which color t-shirt is this? This is a blue color t-shirt, right? So fill blue here. In first you have to fill monkey. In second, goggles. In third, hat. In fourth, banana. And fifth, blue. Now your chapter is done. Here's a poem. And I am going to recite it in front of you. You have to learn it. I will be a lion and you shall be a bear. I will be a lion and you shall be a bear. And each of us will have a den. And each of us will have a den. Beneath a nursery chair. Beneath a nursery chair. And you must roll and roll. And I will roar and roar. The roar is the sound of a bear and roar is the sound of a lion. Remember it. The sound of bear is growl and the sound of lion is roar. And you must roll and roll and I will roar and roar. And then what? And then you will roar and I will roar some more. Okay? Students, this chapter is done. You have to do it in your book. So fill your book. This is your homework. And learn. And learn it. Okay? Exercise of chapter 3 and learn it. And now in next class I will tell you about Mughal Garden, page number 26, and we will start a new chapter, chapter 4, and the name of chapter is color, and this is also home. You have to learn it, okay, with the help of your parents. To complete all your written work and your learning work, we will meet in our next class. Thank you.
Good morning students. I welcome to you all online classes. I am maths teacher from Shivaji Group of Institution. Students, you have previous class, you have done this work, exercise 3, exercise 4 and exercise 5. So students, today I am doing exercise 6. So let's start exercise 6. ones. Okay. Regrouping tens and ones. For example, 40 ones. 40 ones. तो clear that 14 ones means 14 कैसे बना है? 10 plus 4. Okay, 10 की position, tens position and 4 की ones. Are you clear? 1 tens plus 4 ones. Okay, this is the called of regrouping tens and ones. Are you clear? Now next example is this. 17 ones. 17 ones. 10 plus 7. 1 tens plus 7 ones. This is the called of regrouping tens and ones. Okay. So let's start exercise 6. Start the questions. So start exercise 6. First question is this. 15 ones. Okay, is equal to blanks, tens plus blanks, ones. Okay, 15 tens. 15 tens is 10 plus 5. Position of 10, 1 10. 1 10 plus 5 ones. Are you clear? Okay. Next question is this. 40 ones. Done करेंगे. 18 ones. 18 ones. For example, this 10 plus ones. Okay. 18 कैसे बना है? 10 plus 8. 10 position of 10. 1 10 plus 8 ones. Are you clear this concept? Okay. So students, we have done exercise 6. So let's start exercise 7. Open your page number 45 and 46. First heading is this, addition with regrouping. अब क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Addition करेंगे regrouping के साथ. Okay? So students, first heading is this, addition with regrouping. So let's start for the example. Example 56 and add 56 and 8. First step is this. Step 1. Okay. Step 1. Write the given number in column. Firstly हम लोग क्या करते हैं? कॉलम में नंबर को राइट करते हैं. Okay. For this 56 plus 8. Okay. Are you clear first step? Now second step is add ones. Okay. Add ones में कौन से? This is 6 ones and 8 ones. Okay. Step second. Step 2. Step 2 में 6 ones plus 8 ones को क्या करेंगे? करेंगे। ऐड करना बताया ना मैंने आपको, ऐड करेंगे। स्टार्ट। 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 6 plus 8 14 plus 1 कैरी देंगे। ओके, नाउ थर्ड स्टेप में क्या करूंगी मैं? स्टेप थर्ड। ओके, add tens this position 10 position ना, fifth किस position है? mid position, fifth 10th position। ओके, add tens 1 10 plus 5 10 is equal to 6। ओके, see here 56 plus 8 6 plus 8 हम लोग पहले कर चुके हैं। 6 plus 8 step 2। आर क्लियर? 14 1 carry 5 plus 1 5 plus 1 6। Answer is coming 64। Once again I am repeating this question. For example 56 and 8। First step is this, add a column, arrange the column। फर्स्ट हम लोग कॉलम में अरेंज करते हैं। ओके, स्टेप सेकंड, ऐड वंस पोजीशन। वंस पोजीशन में जो नंबर होते हैं हम लोग उसको ऐड करते हैं। 6 plus 8 6 plus 8 14 4 1 carry। ओके, this। ओके, नाउ स्टेप 3। स्टेप 3 में 6 plus 8 4 14 4 1 carry and then 5 plus 1 6। Answer is coming 64। So student, let's start exercise 7। Okay, I am doing exercise 7। First question has given 15 plus 6। First question, okay, are you clear? 5 plus 6 ऐड करेंगे हम लोग। 6 7 8 9 10 11 5 plus 6 11 1 is carry। okay, 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 2। are you clear? okay, now next question is this, 2 4 plus 6। okay, see here 4 plus 6 4 plus 6 count it 5 6 7 8 9 10। okay, 4 plus 6 10 0 1 carry 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 3। okay, I am repeating this question, 5 plus 6 5 plus 6 11 1 1 this carry and 1 plus 1 2। answer is coming 21। okay, now next question is this, 24 plus 6 4 plus 6 10 0 1 carry 2 2 plus 1 3। answer is coming 30। are you clear? So student, you have done exercise 7। okay, are you clear? So student, let's start exercise 8। open your page number 47। okay, first heading is this, addition of 2-digit numbers with carry। okay, हम लोग एडिशन करेंगे 2-digit numbers से carry के साथ। okay, are you clear? now first example is this, 34 and 58। so students, Are you clear? Firstly, I will do column. Indicate. Second step is this. Add ones place. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8. 12. 2. 1 carry. Okay. Now third step is this. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8. 12. 2. 1 carry. And then 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. 8. And then 1. 9. Are you clear? Okay. So students, exercise 8 based on this concept. Okay, addition of 2-digit number with carry. So now, next example is this. Example second. For example, "54 plus 26." Okay, 54 plus 26. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. 10. Very good. 4 plus 6. 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 10. 4 plus 6. 10. And then 1. Carry. Then 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. 7. And 1. 8. Yes. Answer is coming 80. Once again, I am repeating this question. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. 10. 0. 1 carry. And then 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. 8. Okay, are you clear? Answer is coming 80. So students, do exercise 8. Note down homework. Do exercise 6, 7 and 8 in book. Okay? Do exercise 6, 7, 8 in book. आपको 6, 7, 8 book में करनी है yourself. Okay? So students, thank you for attending the class.
Hello everyone, welcome back to your Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. This is your GK period. So everyone, just take out your GK book and open page number 10. And our chapter is 3rd and the topic is important places around us. In our today class, we learn about important places. Okay? Before starting, I recall our previous chapter. In our previous class, we read about being eco-friendly. So, we learn how to care about our environment. Okay, I hope you all have completed that chapter. Okay, so now move to chapter 3. Everyone just take out your pencil eraser. Okay, so now let's start. Important places around us. These places are very important to us. Few places are very important for us where we visit regularly. Some places are like bank, hospitals, post office, etc. So, our first exercise is, now come to the exercise, and our first sentence is, people deposit their money. Where? In your book, you can see the picture of any place. Which place is this? Which place is this? This is a bank. So here in the sentence you can understand very well with this word, deposit their money. Where we deposit our money? At bank. So in first sentence write bank and write the spelling of bank with me. Okay, let's start. B-A-N-K, bank. What is the spelling of bank? B-A-N-K, bank. Now move to the second sentence. Second sentence is we post our letters from this place. Which picture is this? Which place is this? This is a post office. So where we post our letters from this place? This which place is this? This is a post office. So what is the spelling of post office? You can see here. P-O-S-T, post dash office. O-F-F-I-C-E, office. What is the spelling of post office? P-O-S-T, post dash O-F-F-I-C-E, office. At post office we post our letters. Okay. Now move to the third sentence. We can buy different things like fruits, vegetables or our required things from where? Which picture is this? Here you can see market. है ना? So at market we will purchase some required things like stationery, clothes, vegetables, fruits, etc. So which place is this? This is a market. So write the spelling of market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. What is the spelling of market? M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Now move to the fourth sentence. And the fourth point is children play here and people come here for fair, morning, evening walk. So here you can see which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is a scene of a park. So which place is this? This is a park. This place is a park. So write here the spelling of park. P-A-R-K, park. And please remember one thing, when you write these words or spellings, first letter should be capital. Okay, you all have to write first letter in capital way. Okay. Next, fifth point is we come here when we went to file a complaint with the police. Which place is this? This is a police station. Okay, so write here the spelling of police station. P-O-L-I-C-E, police station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station, police station. At police station we go for file a complaint. Okay, so now move to the sixth point. Sixth is doctors and nurses are work here. Which place is this? This is a hospital. So whenever we getting ill, we went to visit hospital. So write here the spelling of hospital. H-O-S, hospital. P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Okay, so our third chapter is completed. Here again I am repeating. In first sentence, people deposit their money at bank. And the spelling of bank, B-A-N-K, bank. And the second point is we post our letters from Where? Which place? At post office. So what is the spelling of post office? P-O-S-T, post dash O-F-F-I-C-E, office. Now third point is we can buy different things like fruits, vegetables or other grocery from where? At market. So what is the spelling of market? M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Now move to the fourth is children and youngers or older can visit for a walk in the morning or evening or for where which place? That is park. So write the spelling of park, P-A-R-K, park. Now fifth, where we go to file a complaint? At police station. So what is the spelling of police station? P-O-L-I-C-E, police, S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station. Now last is doctors and nurses work here. Where? Where doctors and nurses are working? At hospitals. So what is the spelling of hospital? H-O-S, Hospital, hospital. So our first chapter is completed. Okay. Now move to chapter 3. Sorry, students, please open page number 11 and chapter is 4. Already we have completed chapter 3, okay? So, golden words. What are golden words? Do you know? Anyone? Okay, I will tell you. Golden words, ये वे words होते हैं जिससे हम किसी को help कर सकते हैं. We can show sympathy or many more feelings. Okay, feelings like whenever we need something, when we borrow from others, then what word will we use? Please. Whenever we have done any mistake, we can say sorry. And what are the golden words? Think. Golden words like please, sorry, thank you, etc. So now let's start our exercise. And the first, here in this picture you can see this. Okay, this picture, what he is saying to a girl. Well, dear students, to become a good person, we have to be a good manners. Okay, so because good habits are very important for us, and one should use some golden words are very frequently. Okay, we use frequently, on regular basis we use some golden words are like please, sorry, thank you. Okay, fine. So in this exercise you all have to fill this. Firstly, write here whatever word is required for here, write that spelling, then complete this jumble words. Okay, so first is give me a pencil. Whenever we borrow something from other or our friend, so whatever we that time we can say please. So in the first line here, write the spelling please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Okay, now move to second point. Second sentence is dash, is this your book? Dash, is this your book? In this picture you can see he is saying or he is asking to a girl, is this your book? So what we use here, a word. We use here excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. So write the spelling of excuse. E-X-C-U-S-E. Excuse me. Whenever we ask something to other people, on that time directly we can't ask from other people. Okay, if you want to ask something to the other person, then firstly use excuse me, then tell your question or ask your question. Okay, so right here the spelling of excuse me. excuse, excuse me, excuse me, and sentence will be excuse me, is this your book? Okay, now move to the third point. Third is for coming to the party, and this is a picture of a birthday party. So when we invite to some people in our at our home, that time we say which word? We say, what we say? When our friend will come at our home, on that time we will say them thank you. THANK, thank. YOU, thank you. In the fourth, I am dash for hurting you. What in this picture you can see, girl is angry and boy in a sorry position. He is asking to her or saying her that I am sorry. Sorry for what? Because he hurt you, because he hurt her. So whenever we have done any mistake, on that time we say sorry. Okay, so write the spelling of sorry. SORRY, sorry. Now move to the fifth point, and the fifth is, here you can see, thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. In the fifth sentence, you can write here what? You are most dash what? Whenever other people say thank you for helping me, on that time what you reply? You reply to them which word? That is welcome. So write the spelling of welcome. WELCOME, welcome. So now students, after writing this, you can see here some columns. Okay, so in first sentence we write the spelling of please. So here you can complete this spelling. Okay, in the second block, here you can see like this. So students, in this column you have to write this spelling. P is already mentioned, so write rest four letters LEASE. Like this you all have to fill this. Okay, so these are our golden words: please, excuse me, thank you, sorry, welcome. So okay students, I hope you all have understand these both chapters. In your homework you all have to done chapter 5. Learn about this or read it. Okay, Indian flag. So in your homework, learn chapter 3 and 4 and read chapter 5. This is your homework. Now thank you students for attending this class.